Get it.
What's up, everybody? We are starting a pre-Thanksgiving vlog.
Oh shit.
So we are doing Thanksgiving chocolate strawberry turkeys. Is what you saw first.
The last couple ones have like been failing.
They've been failing. We're chilling. We're just making cookies.
We're getting ready for tomorrow, which is Thanksgiving, and then the next day we're going
camping. Yes. I don't know if you can see the camper. Our light's out outside, so I'll show you real quick. I don't know if you can see, but that's our camper there, hooked up to our Jeep. So a little casita. So scarecrow. We have the door open because
I already told you. He's baking cookies with wax paper, and you're not supposed to use wax paper. Usually we'll use parchment paper, and wax paper is catching on fire. So if this catches on fire, I'm gonna murder you.
She's gonna kill me. I might not make it to Christmas,
yeah.
But we'll see you when these turkeys are done.
Okay guys, so all of the chocolate covered strawberries are done. I have some in the fridge as well. I only did like a couple of the turkeys because it does take a really long time and it's just very tedious. So I only did partially turkeys and then the rest is regular strawberries. Next, it is 10 o'clock, but I want to get this done before we go to bed. It shouldn't take too long. I'm making a vegan pernil. So basically, if you don't know what a pernil is, it's just like a pork, like a shredded pork type of Puerto Rican dish, but it's vegan, so it's made with jackfruit. So I'll show you. My feet hurt from standing. But I'm just gonna be using some jackfruit, and I'll link the recipe down below so you guys can refer to it if you would like. But I'm using some cheesecloth, and yeah, so I'm gonna do that now. And then I'm also, tomorrow, it's not really much to make, but tomorrow I'm making green bean casserole. I have everything here that I need, and then my pans. That's kind of what we're up to right now. Quentin's shaving, and then he's gonna eat some cookies. Good morning. It's the next day. I look like a mess, but whatever. I am making the pernil now. So basically, I had it marinating overnight in the mixture. So it is currently in the pan, and it looks like meat if you can see, but it's jackfruit, which is crazy. But it says to like leave it and let it sit for like 3 to 5 minutes at a time so it can get like these burnt bits. Let me see. Yum, that looks so good. Smells amazing. Quentin is getting everything ready for the Jeep, or for the camper. And I'm just moving this around every so, and then just flattening it down again so I can get those brown burnt pieces. I also made myself some coffee. It's a pumpkin spice with some milk, and I'm gonna watch some YouTube. All right, we are all ready. Excuse the mess in the house. Here is Quentin's outfit. The dirty thing. This is my outfit. We are getting ready to head to the car and head to my mom's house. And then from there, we'll eat, come back, pick up him and all the other crap, and then head to his parents' house. Good morning, guys. We are actually in the car now. It is currently 6:30 a.m. and we are on our way to Tallahassee. It's about a 5-hour drive, so we are starting our morning early. I have my coffee. Quinn has his tea in a boot because, right there, in a boot because his cup holders are circle and that cup is square. We're going to stop sometime soon to get some breakfast. I also have to take off my makeup from yesterday, but I'll get to that later. I have like makeup wipes in my little toiletry bag.
Thank you.
Thanks. I forgot to vlog, so we just reenacted that. We got our breakfast. Hi everybody, we have made it. I'm changed. Okay, what I was trying to say before my battery ran out of space, my card ran out of space, is we are getting ready to go on a hike. So I will show you what we see. Make sure to take a picture of me. The video. Oh. You're stupid. Blur that out or do something. Take it out. Put Angel in it.
Why?
Why? Wait, can I video? Yes. Look good, please.
Are you trying to say I don't look good?
This is action.
Yes. Aye.
I don't look good.
Yeah, I look so good. I look fresh. Have to be honest.
Oh, okay. So then don't get your feelings hurt when I'm honest with those Sasquatch legs.
Oh my god.
Bitch.
It's winter time. Nobody shaves their legs in winter time. Yeah, you're right. No shave November. God. That doesn't hurt me. Oh my god. I almost just broke my leg. Of course Angel laughed. Of course.
Your pain is mine.
I just died, almost died. He enjoys people's pain. I know. What if I just like one day got a hammer and just went like that to your head?
Wouldn't.
They ride the horses over here. Somebody probably already did that to your head.
Nobody did that.
That's why I smell like
Hi, Cora.
It's more in, but
Yeah. Oh! Oh my god! Angel! Stop! Show me, how did you win that? Oh my gosh, let me see it. Wow. That's amazing. Good job. Mr. Fireman is taking care of the fire here.
Take a towel. Take a towel, so you pull this down. Get towels, right? Don't sit on the towel.
Happy birthday to you. Good morning, my friends. Gwen and I are chilling on the hammock this morning, and today's our last day here. We're just chilling by the RV on our hammock. That's about it so far. I got pulled over. I got a warning because we weren't supposed to drive in like an area that I was driving in, I guess, on one of the ATV side-by-side thingies. That's what's happened this morning. But other than that, we're just chilling, and we're trying to decide if we're leaving today or not. Here's our setup in the cabin, or whatever you want to call it, the RV. We got our light here. We have some storage space up here, and then we have all our cabinets and stuff all set up. Listos.